Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Lincoln Nautilus garage door opener. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely outside the garage. To clear any existing codes, press and hold the two outer home link buttons on your overhead console for about 20 seconds. The indicator light will flash slowly, then rapidly, confirming the memory is cleared and ready for new programming. This crucial first step prepares your system for a fresh start. Next, grab your original garage door remote control. Position it about 1 to 3 inches away from the home link buttons in your Nautilus. Now, simultaneously press and hold both the desired home link button you wish to program and the button on your garage door remote. Keep holding them until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid flash. This means your Nautilus has learned the remote signal. Now, head to your garage door opener motor unit, usually found on the ceiling. Locate the Learn or Smart button on the motor. Press and immediately release this button. You typically have about 30 seconds to return to your vehicle. Once back in your Nautilus, firmly press and release the home link button you just programmed 3 times. This action will synchronize your vehicle with the garage door opener. Finally, test your newly programmed home link button. Press it once and observe if your garage door opens or closes correctly. If it doesn't work, you might need to repeat the syncing process, ensuring you press the Learn button and then the home link button within the time limit. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy the convenience of your integrated garage door opener.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.